As the families are barely starting to get their lives back to some semblance of normalcy, they face a new concern and a new issue that is adding stress to their lives. KMIR's Julie Bueller's live in Palm Springs with more on this. Julie, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Gino. I hold in my hand a letter that was mailed to the family of Officer Gil Vega on October 13th from Palm Springs City Hall. Now, that's just 5 days after the 35-year force veteran was killed in the line of duty. In fact, his body had not been yet laid to rest when the Human Resource Department at Palm Springs City Hall sent out this letter. Now, their intentions behind this letter to the families of Vega and Zarebny, we're told, was simply to outline the benefits package for the family moving forward. It outlines some highly technical data and detailed information, but there's one line in this letter that's very easy to understand. I'll quote you now. Quote, health, dental, and vision coverage will end as of October 31st. That's the line that the Vega family and the Zarebny family read, telling them that their benefits would be ending on October 31st. You can obviously understand how that would be even more grievous, understanding that they received this sometime after October 13th. Now, with the family reeling from the loss of their loved ones, the last thing they needed to worry about, according to Palm Springs Police Officer Association President Joe Cook, was getting their benefits canceled. Additionally, he says, based on his research, the city would be doing so illegally. We caught up with him and City Manager David Reddy for reaction.
These officers were out, Officer Vega, over 3 decades, serving the community, protecting the citizens of Palm Springs and the residents of Coachella Valley. And the city is more concerned about getting this letter out to the family. And it was mailed to her. So we were just devastated to hear this and thought that this was totally handled wrong. It could have been handled better.
And I certainly, apologize for that letter. The key thing here is we need to do everything we can to make sure that the families get all the benefits they're entitled to, which they will. Now, the letter had a couple sentences in there that weren't correct, and I assured them they'll be fixed immediately.
Now, the sentence in particular that Mr. Reddy is pointing to is the one I quoted: health, dental, and vision coverage will end as of October 31st. He said that there is, in fact, no deadline for that coverage, and their coverage will not end. He did say, too, that he'll be meeting with the families to ensure that they understand the process, get all the highly technical, detailed paperwork accomplished, and can move forward with the rest of their lives. Live in Palm Springs, I'm Julie Bueller, KMIR News.
Julie, thank you.